It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught.
Sheesh! 6:30 in the morning. Dirtworks TV here. Fucking picked up 2 nails somewhere. Getting the tires all patched up real quick before we start the day. Always something. Everybody wants to own their own business until everything breaks. You see, we got problems there, we got some problems there. Always a work in progress. One thing I've learned is never give up. Can't quit though. It's that hustle. It's the ones who persevere, who never give up, that make it. Let's get to it though. Got a couple deliveries today. Got a driveway deliver, and then we're going to be doing some land clearing, moving some equipment in. I'll catch you guys on site. Peace. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So today we'll be installing a crushed asphalt driveway. One of our favorites out here, just crushing it. It's go time. Busy season. You know what to do. Like and subscribe. So what's up, guys? Yeah, in this video, we're just doing a quick driveway resurfacing with our favorite, of course. We got the crushed asphalt. So all the crushed asphalt we use is 3/4 inch minus, and it's all been ran through a crusher. So it's not like a lot of people use millings off the road with the big chunks and stuff, but for a lot of these driveways and like residential parking areas, like they want the nice fine grade stuff, so you, like, everything packs really nice, and you don't have all those big chunks. With those big chunks, like, you get a lot of uneven areas, and it doesn't grade very well if you're trying to make everything look pristine and for a residential driveway. So it's been one of those weeks. It's been super hot in Michigan, high 90s. Blowing hydraulic hoses this week. Obviously, you see the beginning of the video, we had some nails in the tires. Instead of replacing them, we just threw some plugs in. They've seemed to be held up fine. It's been a few days since we done that, and it's been all good. Blew a hose, like I said, on our skid steer. And yeah, just one of those weeks. Get in, get out, get in, get out. Break stuff, repair, move forward. That's all you can do. But yeah, you can see on this driveway, we're just kind of lightly trimming up the edges and stuff, scraping back some of the grass from like the concrete areas where they wanted the new material to butt all the way up to, and we went pretty thick in front of their barn. We went about 4 inches and stuff, and then did a good 3 inches of the crushed material all the way down the driveway and out to the edge. But on that note, don't forget to check out our merch store. I'll leave the link in the description below. Also, if you want, check out all the products we use to make our videos. If you guys are like trying to make videos for your own channel, or you're interested in just filming, or you're interested in just any of the products we use for any of our videos or any of our jobs or whatever. We use a lot of like the Yeti coolers and Yeti cups. I'll leave the product link description. Asked me the other day, what's this extra charge for $100? Sir, have you seen the price of diesel lately? Super insane. Like, where is this country going? Like, yeah, continue to watch our videos. We love the comments and the support we've been getting. Don't forget, like, get in the comment section, leave some comments. We want some feedback on these. We want to know if like you're interested in doing your own business, or if you're just like enjoying our videos, or if you are a business watching our videos and you have ideas how to do things better. Like, hit us up in the comments. Definitely want to hear your feedback. But keep on trucking in the free